Hello everyone, welcome to TechPista. In this video, I am going to show you how to combine two column value in Excel using concatenate function. Sometimes people would like to combine the two column value in Microsoft Excel. For example, if the Excel value has the first name and last name has the separate column, but they would like to combine in one column. In this situation, how can combine the value? Excel has the feature concatenate function. This function helps to combine the two column values. Let's learn how you can do this. Open the Excel sheet what you would like to combine the two column values. In this Excel sheet, I would like to combine the first name and last name. So I would like to add one more column here. The column name as name. So now I have to combine these two columns. Now we have to add the formula equal and concat. Then open bracket, then you have to select the first column values, then add the comma, then add the second column values, then close the bracket. Now the two column value has been combined, but the problem is the space is not here. So we have to add the space. So you have to double click. After the first column value, you have to add the double quotes. Then you have to make the comma. Inside of the double quotes, you have to give the one space, then close bracket. Now the space set perfectly. So we have to apply this formula entire row. So we have to just select and drag it for the all rows. See, the formula has been applied for the all rows. In this way, you can combine the two column values. Thanks for watching this video. If you would like more informative video, subscribe this channel. If you like this video, don't forget to touch the like button.